children forcefully. Depends on the flavor. No, they were all shit. Somebody liked them. Really though? Really liked them though? I think you should just tolerated them.
それでは食べます。香りは焼きたてのクッキー。めっちゃうまいやん。うめえ。
And I think Japanese people, they make great food, right? But I also think they have a big tolerance scale. A lot of them grow up to be raised to eat absolutely everything. Like in terms of like vegetables and so on, they eat everything. They make also good use of everything that is part of an animal. They don't throw away shit. And that's a good thing, obviously. Like I would say that I should cut off a slice of that bread and become the bread. Yeah, but because of their not wasteful culture, I think that's why she's also able to tolerate something like that better. Oh, you made yourself a EU snack box? Oh, got a lot of the stuff that you recommend. Oh, really? Oh, cool. Did you get Kinder chocolate?
鉛筆置きみたいな形してる。ではいただきます。なんかクッキーとか入ってんのかな。ホワイトチョコレートだ。うめ